If your houseboat roof looks like you are one rainstorm away from disaster, water is going to find its way in. Today, I'm going to be rolling liquid silicone on this roof to seal it up, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. Before I get started, I just want to say that prep work is the key to getting this done. If your boat is on top or it is not going to stick. We have to power wash everything, make sure everything is clean, especially under the air conditioner and other places where you haven't been able to clean before. It's imperative that you get that all clean. The second key is taping everything off. Anybody can just come up here and splash the roofing material around. But if you tape it off, then you can come back and peel it off and create these beautiful cut lines. And people are going to assume that you've paid tens of thousands of dollars to have a professional come in and do it. With that said, let's begin that prep work. All right, now the top of the houseboat is clean. It's been power washed, it's been bleached, it's been sitting for a couple hours. There was one low spot on this flat roof that was holding water. I cleaned it off with a towel and let it sit for an additional hour. It is thoroughly dry. It is ready to move forward. The next step is going to be doing the verticals and taping off the edge of the roof to give us a professional look. Okay, now the roof of this boat is completely clean. This roof, not only is it flat, but it rolls over the edge. So I have to do all the vertical edges first before I can roll silicone onto this roof. I'm using silicone, and I could have bought a gallon of the silicone, but for about half the price, I was able to get tubes of silicone from the same manufacturer. Roll-on material is very runny, and if you try to put it on a vertical surface, it just sloughs right off. Okay, we are almost ready to start rolling this roof. The material that I chose to use is 100% silicone, so you might choose a latex or an epoxy, but the process is exactly the same. The next step is rolling this roof. So let's get to it. Daylight's wasting. That's it. the roof is complete. One more project checked off our list. The only downside to this whole project is the amount of prep time it took and waiting for dry weather to actually come in and get all 3 coats of silicone on it that this thing required. But it's it. Just one more project checked off my list. Join me next time. We're going to be replacing this back deck on this boat. We're going to tear it all the way down, remove the fiberglass, the decking, and the framing, and starting over. You're not going to want to miss this 100-hour project. I'll catch you then.